Serpentine Belt Removal on a 2008 to 2014 2.0 VW. It could be the turbo engine, it could be the Passat, EOS, Tiguan, whatever one has the 2.0, very easy. I removed the turbo pipe that goes here for clarification, but you don't have to remove that. You just put a 17 millimeter right there. Some kind of leverage. All right. Okay, and then you just go clockwise, release the pressure. I can't take the belt off because I'm holding the camera, but you just take the belt right off. You release the pressure again, and when you put the belt on, it's very easy. Goes over the crank, up into the alternator, to the compressor. And you put it right back on.